Hello, what's up guys? Good morning! Welcome to our channel. Pangasinan namang yan in the house. Hello, good morning guys! It's Jaisel Vlog. So, for today's video, mag-unbox po tayo ng Daras. Ito yung order ko. Almost 1 week ko po siyang inantay. Ito po yung tracking number ng Daras. Ito po yung pang-scan nila. Yung scanning nila. Then, yan siya. Look guys, naka-sealed po siya. So ngayon, ito kasi yung gusto kong order. Very useful po ito sa amin. So mag-unbox na tayo guys. Tanan! Ayan. So, tingnan nyo siya guys. Naka-box pa. Made in China. Ayan siya guys. So, ito guys, in-order ko sa Daras. Online selling dito po sa Sri Lanka. So, ito siya guys. Nakabalot pa po siya. Ayan na siya guys. Happy ako kasi mayroon na akong ganito. So guys, this is tripod. Very useful for me because I love vlogging. I'm doing vlog. So very important for me and it's very useful for me. Look guys. They have a cell phone holder. So this one guys, look. Oh my god. I don't know. Watch me guys. I'm so excited. This is first time I have like this tripod. I know how to use. Yeah, this one guys. Look guys, this one is using adjustable. Then we put this one guys here for holding mobile cell phone. Adjustable po siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, gotcha. This one guys. Look. And charan. Reversible guys, this one. Then, if you're using this one adjustable. Then, one more guys, this one. i-lock mo siya, guys. Like this. And this one also unlock. Ayan. This one, guys. I'm so happy. Ayan. If you use it, guys, like this, you lock all. Don't look, guys, this one. If you use like this. So, na-assemble na natin siya, guys. Pwede naman po siya ilagay. Balik na natin siya, guys. Yan siya, guys. So, try natin yung cellphone lagay. Lagay natin yung cellphone ko. Yan siya, guys. Yan. Ay. Yan, reversible po siya. Yan siya, guys. So, dapat ito po ay nakaharap po siya dito. Ito po ay nasa likod. So, kung gusto mo i-adjust mo lang siya, gaganon. Tatayo mo siya. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Adjustable po siya. So, mamaya po, papakita ko po sa inyo yung kabuuan. Yung nakatayo na siya. Stand. Rebalsar siya, guys. Ayan. So, thankful ako and happy because may tripod na ako. Hindi na ako mahirapang mag-vlog. Because, guys, I have like this stand. But, hindi po kasi siya eksakto kasi pag nagbablog po ako. Maliit po kasi siya So, I need tripod. So, thankful ako kasi may daras. Ayan. And guys, this one is mura lang po siya. Para siyang budgeted, guys. Sulit. Ayan. Mura na po siya, guys. Kasi pag binili mo yata ito sa market or sa mall, maybe mahal po kasi siya. So, thanks sa daras. Kasi cheaper po siya, guys. Very useful naman siya. So, sana magamit po namin siya ng pangmatagalan. Wait, guys. I'll show you after I assembled my tripod. So, yan na, guys. That is my tripod stand. Ready for vlogging. Guys, this one, we just keep it if ever because this one you can use. You can return to the rest, guys, if your order is broken. This tracking number is very important, guys. So, Please keep it, guys. So guys, that's our video for today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then guys, please click the bell button para ma-notified po kayo sa aming susunod na video. That's all guys. Bye-bye!